So Mark, from a video optimization standpoint, where would Bytemobile and Citrix typically fit into a carrier's network?
Yeah, great question. So it's actually pretty interesting because the Bytemobile product, in our case, what we call the T3100 Adaptive Traffic Manager, is the first thing that data traffic coming in from the internet touches, right? So every bit of data passes through that box, if you will, and as a consequence, we get the chance to see everything happening in the network. Typically that is co-located within what's called the GI LAN, and next to a GGSN typically is the box. So those are co-located devices. We send traffic along through the GGSN and then of course out into the RAN. So that's the location in the network. Now we work with other devices, other network elements, most notably a PCRF function, or PCRF is the newer term or a newer set of capabilities. It's also true for a AAA type function, and this is where we essentially get our subscriber policies. So there's a database of information about the subscriber that's fed into our optimization system, and with that we actually then have the ability to apply optimization selectively, and you could call it subscriber aware, and that way, based upon whatever permissions a particular subscriber has, that could trigger a whole different set of optimization techniques. It might even mean that certain subscribers have access to high definition video, others only access to standard definition video, that sort of thing.
Do you play the role of enforcer, or do you set the policy? Help me understand where you fit in that stack.
Yeah, so Bytemobile is very similar to a policy control enforcement function. Not exactly a PCF, but close enough. But the policy, of course, is set within a device like the PCRF or the AAA. So we take that policy, that subscriber permissions is how you would describe it, and then we act on that accordingly.
Mark, thanks for your time.
My pleasure.
It gets really confusing.
Yeah, it is kind of confusing.
But so you're the technical piece.